Managing your business finances just got a lot easier. In this video, we're diving into the brand new Expense Management Addon for Insight CRM. Once you've installed the add-on, you'll see the new Expense Management menu right on your dashboard. Let's start with expense categories. To keep things organized, you can create custom categories like travel, office supplies, or marketing in just one click. Just hit Add New, name it, and you're set. It's simple, flexible, and keeps your books clean. Now, let's look at the expense list. At a glance, you get a visual daily expense bar to track your spending trends. Below that, every expense is logged with high-level detail, from the amount and category to the specific team member who made the purchase. Need to log a new expense? Just click Add New. Fill in the title, amount, and date. You can even attach receipts or invoices directly to the entry, so you're always audit-ready. Select the status, hit Submit, and your records are updated instantly. Stop losing track of your receipts and start mastering your budget. That's the power of the Insight CRM Expense Management Addon.